The Beat Bangaz DJ Academy is all about unlocking people's, I would say, passion for music first and foremost. It's all about pushing the envelope when it comes to approaching music and how we work with music, how we mix music, how we are able to link music, meaning that we put a lot of focus on all the various aspects in terms of getting interesting concepts being put together. So we work across genres. A lot of people know us as being turntablists, the hip-hop DJs, but it's not just about that. We go across the genres from hip-hop, reggae, EDM, you name it, trance music, Afro music, all these different styles of music. And for us, it's very important to make people understand, that music is the actual driving factor. Everything else is secondary. So being a DJ and coming to the Beat Bangaz DJ Academy, it's all about correcting, connecting with the music, connecting with the rhythm, and just being sort of energized by that. I think people that's really serious about the craft, it's really good for them to come and attend this course as well. The one thing that I found really interesting is that we had a lot of established DJs that were doing extremely well, not just locally but globally. They came to attend the course and they had their own sort of motivations for why they wanted to be here as well. So I think for me that's very important. It's being able to work with people where we can all find a space and the type of environment, where we all see things, I would say, from a sort of common viewpoint. And through that, we are all able to connect. And then you start unlocking people's potentials through that as well. So I think that's also one of the big factors, is that this is, the course is not just about the music, it's not just about the skills, it's not just about the industry and how to survive, it's about people as well. It's about connecting with people, and for us that's very, very important, people first.